This is Donna Messer, and we're going to talk about how you never, ever, ever ask for a job or a contract when you're networking. And the reason you never, never, never ask for a job or a contract is because if someone can't give you what you're asking for, you're going to make them uncomfortable and they're not going to answer your phone calls. And if they're in an event where you're in the same room, they're not going to meet your eyes. So what I'm going to ask you to do is think creatively. If you happen to be an unemployed person, let's think about how we can help you to network with the people you need to meet without having to ask for the job or the contract. Let's think about who those people are. Let's say, for instance, that you're looking for a job and you want to work in the automotive industry. Let's think about where the automotive industry is. Is the automotive industry interested in golfing? Yep, as a matter of fact, they have a number of golf tournaments. All right, show up at the golf tournaments. Offer to volunteer to help them, but don't ask for a job. Perhaps one of the best ways to integrate what you do and how you can get a job is by doing a research project. I'm going to suggest that what you do is you target 12, 15 companies. Again, let's say it's the automotive industry. Do your research, go to the library, make sure that you find out all of the information you can, and then call newspapers, newsletters, and say, I'm going to do a research project. Will you print the results? They're going to say yes. And then what you want to do is to call those companies and say, I'm doing a research project. I would like to know more about, and you're going to come up with the answer. They will let you interview them. They will allow you to take the information. If you're smart, you'll ask the senior vice president or president for a quote, and you will give them a copy of what you write. That gives you the opportunity to come in, to meet with them, and not to ask for a job. If there is a rapport, send a note thanking them for the information, and if you feel comfortable, send them your resume. It's an amazing way to build a relationship without asking for a job.